Hey, what is going on, guys? And today is a super exciting day. So we are actually going to be going over a new product that I got and a new partnership that I got. So we are now working with Chase Bays. They are going to be providing us with all sorts of stuff for the track, including our new radiator that we got today. And this new radiator comes with 2 new fans, and it'll have the 16 AN fittings as well. So I kind of pre-opened everything to make the video a little bit smoother. And let's go ahead and grab the first piece. So the first piece we have here are going to be the fittings. And the fittings are a nice black anodized. Like I said, they are the 16 AN fittings. And I actually find it very interesting with the different fittings that you get, or different colors of black that you get with different brands. This is a very nice, I would say almost like a semi-gloss black. So I actually am looking to change all of my fittings to this style because I do have some gloss black finishes that are from Finish Line Factory, and while they are very durable, I've had no issues with like scuffing on them. They do tend to show dirt a lot easier than these matte black style fittings. So I'm probably going to be going through eventually switching all of the fittings out with Chase Bays. That way they're all uniform. All right, so next up we have are going to be the fans. They are solid looking fans. They're nice. They got some nice weight to them. So I'm sure they're going to give me zero issues with cooling. My old radiator, they use 8-inch fans. These are 10-inch fans. These are 950 CFM. The old ones are 600. And also with the larger size radiator, we'll be able to do a lot better with the actual cooling aspect and shouldn't be running into any cooling issues. Comes with a great connection. So I'm just going to be wiring up the connector and getting that set up in there. All right, so the last piece is going to be the actual radiator itself. Pull it over here. And I'll tell you, this thing looks absolutely amazing. It's a 3-inch core. And as I said, it is a dual pass. Looks fantastic. I cannot wait to get this thing in, as I've been facing cooling issues when I'm at, tracks where I'm running 20-minute sessions. I just can't keep up. So they changed the design, from what I'm reading, to a non-shrouded radiator. They're saying at higher speeds that the shrouds are actually restricting airflow, and I understand what they're saying, because it's forcing all of the air through the fan area versus being able to let all the air flow through. So whenever you have the radiator mounted up, I would say you want all of your shrouding or direction of air to be, if you have like air gaps on the sides, make sure you close those up. That way you're actually forcing all of the air through the radiator itself. So on the back side here, you can make this reversible. So you can have it mounted either, depending on how your cooling lines are running, either mounted this way or this way. And then logo kind of correlates that. And then of course the ports are here. So you have your ports to be able to change your fittings. Like I said, I'm going to be running the 16 AN fittings first. I eventually probably upgrade to the 20 AN, and then we'll be good to go. And this one is specifically made for the Integra. So this looks to fit in this gap just about perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and get started on getting everything mounted up, get the CSF radiator out of here, and then get the Chase Bays radiator put in. As I said, finish is beautiful. I mean, nice looking welds. Everything just looks really nice on these things. So I'm going to get started, and we'll see you at the end.